Hi guys, it's Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be comparing this neon slime from Target, and it is $1. And we got these a few months ago. And then we're going to compare it to the new neon slime from Michaels. And they are also $1 each, and they have all these colors. And I also bought these a while ago, but we didn't really have time to start a video, so we finally have time, so yeah. So first I'll be comparing the size, and obviously the Michaels slime is a little taller than the Target slime. But the cool thing is that the Target slime has two different colors, but the Michaels slime just has one of each color, which is pretty cool, but there's like a plus and minus on each one. So I'll be first seeing if the Target slime and the Michaels slime can poke, stretch, and pop. So I'm gonna open the Target one first. Whoa. So it does come in layers, so the slime doesn't mix. There. So I'll just do one of them. So it does poke, and let's see if it stretches. Whoa, it stretches really far. And then it pops. Oh, it's pretty good slime. So then I'm gonna be comparing the Michaels slime to see if it pokes, stretches, and it pops. So it has this protective lid on here. Whoa, it's like a jiggly slime. And it says on here it's super stretchy. Whoa, it is super stretchy. Oh my gosh, it's going so far. Oh, it's kind of sticky though. And it kind of pokes. I can kind of hear it. And now we're going to see if it... Well, yeah, it does stretch, but let's see if it pokes now. I mean, pops. So I think the Target slime won on this one. But it's really cool because it is like jiggly slime. And it does stretch pretty far. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the other colors. Or I'll just show you the other colors. So, this one is the green one. Okay, so here's the green one. Oh, it kind of makes this weird noise when I... Okay, now I'm going to show you the pink one. Whoa, the color is so pretty. Whoa, oh my gosh. It's like a hot pink. And it's pretty cool. So now I'll show you guys the blue one. And then I think that's all the colors. So here's the blue one. Whoa. And this one's actually kind of harder. It's like a very pretty blue. So I think that's all of them. So I think I'm gonna have to go with the Target slime because of the poking and the stretching and the popping. But if you just wanna play with the slime, then I think the micro slime would be better. Or like be best to like just play with around and just jiggle it around. But if I had to pick between these, I would pick the Target one because I really like the ASMR. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want us to do in the next video. Bye!